computer do you need, what programs do you need as a graphic designer, and where to start if you want to be a graphic designer. About all these themes we will talk in that video. Hey guys, my name is Elena, I'm a graphic designer and welcome to my graphic design channel. Well guys, let's get straight to the point. What computer do you need? To understand what computer do you need, you have to understand what programs do you need to be a graphic designer. My main programs are Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop. In Adobe Illustrator, you can create logotypes, posters, or invitations, and many other designs. And I'm using Adobe Photoshop for mockups and for editing photos. You don't need specific computer for these programs. You need to know minimal system requirements for these programs. Here you see system requirements for Adobe Illustrator, the same for Adobe Photoshop. Here you find what your computer must have to work with Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop. And let's talk now about my computer, and you will find the link for these system requirements below this video. What computer I have and my computer price. Here you see my computer system: processor, operating system, RAM, and video card. And the price of my computer is 650 euros. And now you see my monitor, mouse, and keyboard. And here you see as well the prices. As well, you can find Adobe Illustrator on iPad, but I don't like Adobe Illustrator on iPad because there is not much tools for Adobe Illustrator on iPad. And where to start if you want to be a graphic designer? I have a video on my YouTube channel, 5 steps in graphic design, where you can find a free 30 days plan in Adobe Illustrator. And here you find 30 different tutorials with tasks. If you're interested to start in graphic design, my advice to start from that 30 days free plan. The link on my video and the plan you will find below this video. Well guys, that's all for today. Hope you like my video. If yes, give me a like, and please write in the comments below what computer or laptop do you have, and do you like it or not. And see you in the next tutorials in Adobe Illustrator or in the next videos in a graphic design. Bye bye guys. Bye.